Hello everyone, this is Dr. Carol Valenzuela from Yes Pinoy Pro, who's always telling everyone to be positive in all the things that you do. Bawal lang negative, okay? Ngayon, meron tayong breaking news, okay? Mainit-init pa. Sa lahat ng sponsor dyan, lahat ng Filipinos, you are now allowed to get, not only Filipinos, but all nationalities. You are now allowed to get your friends, your colleagues, your family, first degree and second degree and third degree family dito sa United Arab Emirates. The best thing is, pwede na lahat. Yan ang maganda. Kaya lang, syempre laging may kaya lang sa Yes Pinoy Pro, no? We have to know the news. Number 1, kung gusto nyong kunin ang inyong family member, first degree, asawa, anak, magulang, that's the first degree, dapat 4,000 ang sahod ng sponsor. Yan. Yes, 4,000. Then next, if you want to get your second degree family, which is pinsan, okay? Ano pa? Tito, tita, lahat ng mapapatunayan ninyo na talagang sila ay pamilya ninyo, then your salary should be 8,000 dirhams and above. Kung gusto mo namang kunin ng iyong mga kaibigan at mga katrabaho, yes, it is possible provided that you have 15,000 dirham salary. Yan ngayon ang pagbabago sa UAE visit visas rule. At the same time, for application purposes of your visit visas, dinagdagan din ang requirement ng cover page ng inyong mga passport. So the cover page, whatever the color it is, plus yung page na kung saan nandun nakalagay yung pirma ninyo at saka yung face ninyo, plus of course picture with white background and other requirements should be there. So the best thing about Yes Pinoy Pro is we can sponsor anyone as well. Friends, relatives, family members, and everyone. Just come to Yes Pinoy Pro. We have the capacity to get them. Of course, there will be some deposits kasi kami na ang sponsor ninyo at we have to make it sure na hindi sila mag-abscond. And if they're going to find job, we have to make it sure that they are oriented properly kasi alam naman natin ang batas ng hindi pwedeng maghanap ng trabaho ang mga visit visa. So, ito na naman ako. Sana nakatulong ako sa inyo sa ating breaking news. Please watch this and share it and follow us in TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and everywhere in social media. Thank you so much, everyone, for helping Yes Pinoy Pro.